Okay. Today I'll be eating nothing because I've been told that you're not supposed to eat in front of other people. I mean, not like that. I mean, I don't know. Other people watching you eat is not good. That's what they said. I don't know. So I'll just eat. Mm. Mm. Lately, I've been, you know, lately I've been uploading stuff through. Okay, I don't know. I don't know how to talk. Okay, so I don't have storage on my phone, and the tablet, which is not mine, um, I don't know. It's not working the way it's supposed to be, and the computer is not filming. So that's why I just use YouTube Shorts. So that's it. Yeah, so that's why you see the things the way you see, and they don't let you film longer shorts, but I guess you can post longer shorts, but whatever. And yeah, that's disappointing, like many things in life, but that's life, so that's okay. At least we have food, so that's okay. That's perfect. I mean, as long as we have food, life is worth living. Yeah, especially during winter when you feel less energetic and all. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. You know, this food tastes like air with a hint of imagination. Yeah, my favorite. Yeah, it's it's what I eat at 3 a.m. in the morning or night or whatever you want to call it. I don't care at this point. And yeah, okay. My disappointment is making me more energetic than I thought I would be on this video. So that's positive in a way. Alright, I forgot to tell you that even the computer is not mine, just like the tablet, it's shared. But at least I have a phone. Yeah, I own something, even if it was a gift, so it's not like I paid for it and all. But still, I own something. A phone. Wow, that's cool. Yeah, really cool. Why do I sound so? I don't know. Okay, listen, I'm happy with life. Okay, everything is okay. It's just that it's the winter mood. It's But you know what? Life is a present, and in a few days it's Christmas and all. And I'm grateful that I'm still alive after so many years and all. I mean, it's okay if the side effects of living for so long is just not having a good mood, and it worsens during the dark days of the year. That's totally cool. At least I have more time. I have extra time to do whatever I want to do. And still I'm dysfunctional, and that's okay. I can still make it work. I can still make it work. Gotta stay positive. If you see me slipping down again, it's because it's uncomfortable sitting in this position and all. Yeah, by the way, I have no idea why this year it's just not. I don't know. They're acting like it's not Christmas in a few days. Where's the Christmas spirit? I don't know. I mean, at this point, I don't want presents. I mean, I never wanted presents. I mean, you can give me money if you want to give me presents. I'm okay with that. But at least, I don't know. I just want silly reasons to be happy and try to be in a good mood. I mean, don't blame me if I get depressed. I mean, I'm trying. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for yelling at you. Yeah, it's not your fault. It's not your fault. I mean, the people I live with, yeah, it's not their fault either. It's just me. I don't know. It's okay. I mean, oh man, my legs hurt. Okay. I don't know why I'm doing this. I mean, every winter I try to upload stuff on the internet because I don't know. It helps me. It helps me. So I'll still try to upload stuff, even if some days I just feel like not doing anything. But I don't know why I'm saying this. I just need an excuse to talk, and it makes me feel good, to be honest. I mean, yeah. Yeah. So yeah. Let me eat my French fries. Oh, they're home. Bye. Oh, I'm sorry. Back then, the hungry, the cramps, and the urge to hibernate got the best of me. So, yeah. But then I had cookies and milk, and I got better. Yeah, this was just an excuse to eat something real, and I don't know. It feels good to eat with you. It feels like I have friends. So, bye.